Pandicoco. Pandicoco originated in Honduras and was introduced to the Philippines by Spanish during the colonial era. Like Honduras, coconut are plentiful in the Philippines, so this bread was easily embraced in our country. How do people enjoy this type of bread? Bite into these perfectly baked pandicocos, soft and fluffy buns, stuffed with sweetened grated coconut. They are the perfect fit, so sweeten your morning or afternoon. Kababayan bread. Kababayan is a local Filipino muffin. It is a soft, sweet, and moist. What sets it apart? It is an interesting salokat shape. A salokat is a traditional cone, dome-shaped, light higher worm by local to protect themselves from the sun and rain. How do people enjoy this type of bread? It is a popular Filipino sweet muffin enjoyed as a breakfast or afternoon treat with a hot cup of tea or coffee. Filipino pineapple pie. The earliest documented evidence of the pineapple ban can be tracked back to Hong Kong in 1942. It was during this time that the Tai Tung Bakery first opened indoors to the public. How do people enjoy this type of bread? It is a popular Filipino sweet pie enjoyed as a breakfast or afternoon treat with a hot coffee. It's no wonder. Bread is simple, a combination of flour, water, yeast, and time. People yearn for comfort increases, and what more satisfying than kneading dough and smiling fresh bread in the house. Bread is a staple item around the world that touch every aspect of life: art, religion, politics, health and wealth, and poverty.